Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify "This playlist is empty" problem. Now first up on our checklist, what you need to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a weak connection can cause issues with loading playlists. Next, you can also make sure that your Spotify app is running the latest version. So make sure you head to your device's app store, search for Spotify, and update if a new version is available. If that's cleared up, then you can also try checking your app's cache and clearing it off. Now to do this, head to Spotify settings, find the storage section, and then clear cache. Next, if the problem persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Doing this often resolves any minor issues that are encountered by the app. You can also try checking for Spotify outages, as sometimes the issue might be on Spotify's end. Check online to see if there are any reported outages or issues with Spotify service. And finally, if none of these steps work, then it might be best to reach out to Spotify support, as they can provide more specific troubleshooting steps. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.